Okay. Long ago, there were some huge animals walking around. And to this day, they're digging their bones from the ground. They grab them with gloveless hands. But that is really small compared to the airborne shit they're releasing to us all. They don't know how these humongous motherfuckers died. They died with their secret, with a lot of fucking pride. Then along came that nosy ass man who is always in somebody's shit, digging up the fire that we don't want to be messing with, rubbing all on old ass bones, then running to take a leak. I don't care if you wash your hands, dinosaur bacteria is all on what you use to pee. Then you lean on a tree. And what walked through your urine? Feet. Now do you see? Somebody walked the germ 7 hours and 13 minutes west. You getting the picture yet? They walked dinosaur bacteria on our set because we're always looking for mess. Well, I can say, looks like they found some shit that just ain't right. So protect yourselves, close your legs or zip your pants tight. All right?